Hey everyone! Welcome back to Dollie'cious Cravings. Today we're diving into a Filipino favorite. It's called Hopia. We'll be making this delightful treat with two classic fillings, ube and monggo. So if you're ready to bring the flavors of Filipino home to your kitchen, let's get started. As you can see, first, ang gagawin natin is yung monggo bean paste. Napakadali lang niyang gawin, so i-follow nyo lang yung recipe na nasa video na to. Now, it's time to prepare our dough. So, una, ang gagawin natin is yung water dough. In a bowl, mix all-purpose flour, sugar, and salt. Then, gradually add the cold water. And then, let's put the vegetable oil. Syempre, hahaluin lang natin siya until a smooth dough forms. After natin siya mahalo ng mabuti, let's knead lightly to form a dough. Siguro mga 2 minutes natin siyang gagawin. So, dito, dinivide ko yung dough kasi mas nadadalian ako ng ganun. And then, just wrap it and then flatten it with the rolling pin. And then, let's set aside and put this in the refrigerator. So, same thing lang din ang gagawin natin for this dough. Now, it's time to prepare for the butter dough. Okay, so sugar yan. Pwede palang white sugar yung gamitan dito. Sa case na to kasi, I only have brown sugar, kaya brown sugar yung ginamit ko. But it's not a problem. Now, let's cut the cold cube butter, pressing it into the flour until the mixture becomes crumbly. As you can see here in this video. And then let's set aside and refrigerate it for 20 minutes. Now, let's get the first dough or yung water dough na tinatawag. Just place the butter dough on top of water dough. Just spread them all over the water dough. And then it's time to fold all sides. Just cover or wrap this. Here, I use the glazing paper. You can also use wax paper or any baking paper you have. Flatten it with the rolling pin. So just follow what I'm doing on this video. Yung butter dough na yun, yung nilagay natin on top, yun yung reason bakit nagiging flaky yung texture ng hopia. So, nilalagay lang natin yun sa loob. Again, we will be using the rolling pin to flatten this dough. Then, tanggalin natin yung glazing paper na to. And then, it's time to roll the combined dough like a log. So, di ba kanina, nag-divide ako ng water dough. So, dalawa yung log na magagawa ko. So, each log can be divided to 13 pieces. Kaya I was able to make for a total of 26 pieces of hopia. Kasi yun nga, each log can be divided into 13 pieces, as you can see here in this video. Hindi ko na siya measure kasi pangkain lang naman namin to. Now we're going to use two flavors, yung ube and monggo. Just form the dough into a ball, then flatten it with a rolling pin to form a thin round sheet. Yung ube, binili ko lang yan kasi it's time consuming pa kung ako pa yung gagawa. But for the monggo filling, madali lang siyang gawin kaya naipakita ko sa inyo paano lutuin. Now, brush each hopia with egg wash and then sprinkle with some sesame seeds, and of course, this is optional lang naman yung paglagay ng sesame seeds if ever wala kayo nun sa bahay. Pero you know, it's just adding design sa hopia natin. Sa procedure na to, I cook this in the pan over a very low fire. Siguro each side, maluluto siya ng mga 8 minutes to 10 minutes. And you can also bake this sa mga may oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. And then 375 degree Fahrenheit or 190 degree Celsius. Alright, and there you have it. Our Hopia, Ube and Monggo. So this will add a cozy, very Filipino atmosphere at your home. I hope you will try this recipe. Please remember to like, subscribe, and spread the word if you like this video. Let's spread love and positivity. Happy cooking!